Hello traders, this is the second video for today. I want to show you what happens right after the market opens. Usually I like to say 15-20 minutes just to be safe. Remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. And what we're going to look at right now are the next signals, the next trades on the Sonic. I also have the at the open on the chart, which is the at the open method. So we're going to focus at the signals after the market opens. There is already a long signal that was taken at 59.98.75. In the prior video, you can see that trade. It's a long trade, and now the market's going down. We have an audible alert. I hear the short signal. This is a short opportunity, 59.86. So I'm using the Sonic system to tell me to go long or to go short. This happens to be a short signal. I waited about 15 minutes after the market opens is what I recommend. The risk to reward ratio, which I talk about all the time, I like it because the amount of loss compared to the amount of what I'm able to generate as a profit is about 50-50. I call it that the 50-50 rule. Just try to adhere to that. As a trader, we don't want to really risk so much more unless it's a high probability, high winning accuracy. So this trade, to go short, the market's been on a short downtrend. The previous was long, as you can see. That was a winning trade. This one was a short. This was also a winning trade. So you can see that the Sonic system is versatile. It can go long and it can go short, and it's based on price action. I'm going to speed this up here a little bit just to save some time. If you like these videos, subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We have probably a video every day coming out, and this allows you to understand what we do. Now what you're seeing here is the at the open signal. This is the at the open, which is a proprietary software, allows me to take trades. It's an opening range breakout method, which as soon as the market opens, we usually have a signal. Okay, not only do we have the at the open, but we also have a Sonic signal right there at 59.70.50. So really what that's telling me is that we have two signals. This is how we should look at this. We have two signals, two opportunities. We have one for the at the open. We have one for the Sonic. They are both short. That means that going short based on these two signals, they are unrelated. The at the open method is unrelated compared to the Sonic, using different ideologies. You can see that I'm adding the ATR as well to the chart. There it is. At the ATR is called the average true range. It's 6 points, very strong. The market's very volatile. It's not for everybody. If you're trading, trade with micros. $325 is what I'm trying to make on this trade, and it's about 6.5 points. As you can see, I can change the ruler to points or to currency or price, so that's important. All right, so as you can see, this short trade was successful. $350, I think it is, or $325. Let me just change that back to currency, and we can see what it was. And give it just a second here to update. $350. Okay, $350. So thinking about the cost of the software, in one or two trades, you can pay for the software in a matter of minutes. Now remember, this is the at the open signal, ATOC short. So the at the open, separate from the Sonic, we include the at the open with mentorship. And for those of you who have accelerated mentorship, or even those of you who are members for 10, 15 years, and you already have the at the open, you can pull up the at the open signal, at the open indicator, and you can see it's the exact same signal as I have. Now I'm putting up this I guess this website here for the time, so you can see that this is live. This is not market replays. This is actually a live chart, live trade. It's 9:56 here in sunny Florida. I'm going to speed this up here a little bit so we can save some time. I don't want you to stare at a chart that's not doing anything. I want to focus on the signals. Again, the at the open trade as you see it there, and we have the Sonic. So this is telling me that the next trade short is going to be a good opportunity. So I want to make sure that I'm looking for short trades. I want to make sure that there's nothing conflicting. Okay, there's a short trade here, but you're going to notice that the risk to reward ratio is not what we want. The stop is so much larger than the target. So the target is small. You can see that green dashed line there. That's the target, and the stop is much larger. Now, under these current conditions, the volatility is strong. On a 1 minute chart, you're looking at about 8 points. I'm not sure if you can see the ATR now. It's about 7.5 points. But 7 points, 8 points every minute that the market is moving is a very large stop. So under those conditions, there's no reason to even increase our stop. We want to make sure that the money that we're trying to make is about equal to the stop, especially under these conditions. Okay, so we can see here that this trade has a target and a stop that's about 50-50. Even so, the ATR is a good, healthy 6.5 points. That's a very large profit target and a very large move. So in this example, I entered, I have the stop, I have the target, I'm using the Sonic system. We've had previous short trades that were successful, so that means that this is most likely going to continue to the short side. I'm out of the trade with another winning trade. So it's 10:08. I don't think that we need to trade anymore, especially under these conditions. There's already been about 5 signals, short and, well, 1 long and a few short. Whether you took them or not, you just have to understand that at this point, if you're up $500, $600, $700, stop trading. The market's strong, and it's a good opportunity to take advantage of the profits that we made this morning. Now, if you have any questions, if you want to learn more about Day Trade to Win, you can get a free member account. We also offer live classes every Friday. We also have live trading room Monday through Thursday. Accelerated mentorship is for those traders who want to have all the software in one discounted package. Visit daytradetowin.com, and I'll see everyone at the next video. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.